birthday po ate. Sabi sa'yo, debut po yung pupuntahan ko eh. Debut mo po.
Hindi namin talaga nabigyan ng party. Kasi, yun nga, nag-i-start pa lang din po kasi kami mag-business. So wala po talaga siyang yung talagang party. Even McDo or Jollibee, hindi namin siya nabigyan talaga.
Actually, nung 18 years old kasi siya, hindi talaga kami nakapag-prepare ng debut sa kanya. But her mom really want to have the traditional party like the 18th debut party. So that's why na pili pa rin ng mami niya na mag-prepare ng this event today.
Have we forgotten? We need some sorting out. Clear our minds, we will find what the story is all about. Oh, he was a perfect gift. Oh, he came to bring us peace. Oh, holy child, our king.
Ate, happy birthday. Thank you for being the best ate in the whole wide world. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, ate, is good health and of course, best of luck sa mga future endeavors mo pa, and proud na proud kami sa'yo. Love you, ate.
Oh, he was a perfect gift. Oh, he came to bring us peace. Oh, holy child, our king.
Pero talaga sa lahat ng pamangkin ko, si Joyce yung the best. Happy birthday, anak! And ang wish ni tita, lahat ng gusto mong marating mo. At lahat ng gusto mong abutin, maabot mo. Happy birthday, Joyce!
Do we remember how on that silent night there was a baby who came to recall us back to life?
Hi Joyce! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best. Sana i-enjoy mo ang gabing ito at ito yung 18th birthday mo. Diba? Gulat na gulat ka. Happy birthday! We love you!
Will our voices join with the chorus up above? Do we remember how
Lagi lang mag-iingat. Siyempre, huwag kakalimutan yung pangangatuan. Tapos, ayun nga, lalo na nahihiligan magmotor, palagi lang mag-ingat sa kalsada. Ayun lang.
Contradictory to what Taylor has said, you're not on your own, kid. We're here. Again, I would want to wish you a happy birthday.
Oh, he was a perfect gift. Oh, he came to bring us peace. Oh, holy child, our king. Fill our hearts with wonder, turn our winter into summer. Fill our lungs with laughter, peace and joy.
Wish ko, anak, sa'yo, good health always. Keep your faith to God. And happy life always. And in the future, a happy family. Love you, anak. Happy birthday.
Oh, he was a perfect gift. Oh, he came to bring us peace. Oh, holy child, our king. Holy child, our king.
While she's still single. So just enjoy the work, balance work, fun, and yung experience niya along the way. It's part of life that will build her foundation for a strong family soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Joyce! We love you!
I always treasure this friendship kasi wala akong ibang pipiliin ng mga kaibigan kundi sila lang din dalawa.
Just keep being bejeweled and make the whole place shiver. Yes, I love it. Happy birthday, I love you.
Gusto ko naman, na-experience mo yung ganito. Though alam ko naman, naintindihan mo bakit hindi talaga natin nagawa nung 18th mo, diba? Yeah, I love you so much, anak.